Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're doing comparison between JOTBOT and ChatGPT. We want to see which of the AI writing tool wins. So we have JOTBOT, this is the first one, which is writing and research without the busy work. JOTBOT handles the struggle of finding the right words and sources so you can focus on your ideas. Start writing, it is free. Now let's get started. And then we also have ChatGPT with natural language processing. It's also great for contextual dialogue and text to video and so much more. Anyway, let's actually look into them deeply, because as bloggers we're constantly seeking ways to streamline our writing process and create top-notch blog posts that rank high on search engines. So the two contenders we're looking at, like I said earlier, are JOTBOT and ChatGPT. We want to see which one truly reigns supreme. We're going to dive into their strengths and weaknesses, pros and cons. Let's keep going. Now let's get started with JOTBOT. This is this one I'm on right now. This is a blogging assistant designed with you in mind. If you need a quick blog draft, a quick blog post draft, to give it to you. You want to optimize your content for SEO, it's ready to do that for you too. JOTBOT helps you write faster, smarter, and with more confidence. The key benefits are speed. Speed, yep, it's 10 times faster. It claims to be 10 times faster. SEO optimized. Versatility, that is, does blog posts, articles, social media content, can help you write it all. Write it all. And when it comes to pricing, JOTBOT has free plan and the limited plan. So the free plan is good for testing waters. You get basic features and limited usage. Unlimited plan, you pay $20 per month. You get unlimited credit and unlimited autocompletes. That's right. Now when it comes to the pros, JOTBOT it has time-saving efficiency. It has enhanced writing quality. It has idea generation and inspiration, versatile content creation, and customizable options. Now when it comes to the cons, it has occasional inaccuracies. It has lack of human touch, dependency on clear instruction. It depends on your clear instruction, and also limited offline access. Now let's look at ChatGPT next. Now think of ChatGPT as the AI bot that's always up for a chat. Yes. It can help you write stories, answer your questions, and even try to crack a joke or two. It is really versatile. The key benefits are super creativity, because it can write different kinds of text, poems, codes, scripts, you name it. And always learning. The more you chat with it, the smarter it gets. It's surprisingly learnable. It has access to a massive amount of information. And when it comes to pricing, $0 per month. But if you want the plus plan, you can pay $20 per month. And on the team plan, you pay $25 per month. Now when it comes to pros and the cons, let's look at the pros first. It's easy to use as one of the pro. It gives creative ideas, can explain complex topics, boosts productivity, and improves writing. Just write your question, or ask the question, or reason, search, touch the document, or more. You can summarize text, help you write, surprise you, analyze images, or much more. Like coding, brainstorming, analyzing data, making a plan. It helps you so much more. Let's do a comparison of both of their features to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. We're going to check the AI writing capabilities of both of them. Now, JOTBOT specializes in long-form content such as blog posts and articles, while ChatGPT is a conversational AI that excels at generating shorter, more creative content, and it is great for writing social media posts, marketing copy, and even poetry. So let's look at the user interface and ease of use. So if you want a clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate interface, go for JOTBOT, because it's designed for bloggers who want a simple, streamlined writing process. While ChatGPT, if you want something that is chat-like interface, go for ChatGPT, because it makes it feel more like having a conversation. It can be fun, engaging, but it might require a bit of effort to achieve your desired result. You have to be specific on what you want. Now we'll also analyze their content customization and control, and we saw that JOTBOT offers various templates and prompts to give you guide you while you're writing. You can also change the tone and style to match your brand voice, while ChatGPT gives you more control over the content generation process. So you have to provide it to instruction and even fine-tune the AI responses to through interactive feedback for ChatGPT. Now, when it comes to SEO and content optimization, if you're looking for the one that has the advantage there, then you're looking at JOTBOT AI because it has built-in SEO tools that help you optimize your content for good results search engines. While ChatGPT doesn't have dedicated SEO features, but it can still generate well-structured content that is keyword rich, which can indirectly improve your SEO. Now, also check on the additional features that they have and realize that JotBot offers features like biography checker, content calendar, and integration with other blogging tools, making it a more comprehensive solution for bloggers. While ChatGPT has a vast knowledge base and can summarize articles, translate text, and even generate code snippets, it's an excellent tool for a variety of tasks beyond writing. Also checked out their language support and realized that both of them support multiple languages, making them valuable tools for content creators who cater to a global audience. When it comes to productivity and time-saving features, both tools are designed to increase productivity and save time. You see, JotBot streamlines the writing process with AI-powered suggestions and optimization tools, while ChatGPT can generate drafts quickly and even help you brainstorm ideas. Both tools can be used for note-taking and other writing-related tasks, saving you valuable time in your daily workflow. Now, what do you need to look for when choosing an AI writing tool? 1. Check their niche specialization. Does the tool excel in your specific type of content, e.g. blog posts, product description, YouTube videos? Check this. Next, check for collaboration features. If you work with a team, does the tool offer collaboration and sharing options? Check for integration with other tools. Does it integrate to your existing workflow and tool? For example, WordPress, Grammarly. Then check for training and support. Does the company offer training resources and responsive customer support? Then don't forget to check for ethical consideration because the tool has to address potential ethical concerns like plagiarism and bias in AI-generated content. So after checking all this, then you make your pick. For us, we made our pick. So let me give you the breakdown. For most bloggers and content creators, we recommend ChatGPT. That's right, if you're a blogger, a content creator, stick with ChatGPT because its unparalleled versatility, creative output, and human-like writing make it a standard choice for tackling a wide range of writing tasks. But if you know you're into this category, then simply go for ChatGPT because a great tool for specific needs. Yes, remember that the best AI writing tool is the one that fits your needs perfectly and your workflow. So we encourage you to try both options and see which one best aligns with your goals. Do not forget to cite sources and fact check any information generated by AI. Ultimately, these tools are meant to assist you, not to replace your creativity or problem-solving skills. We've highlighted the key points of each product in the comparison, focusing specifically on the given topic of AI writing tools for bloggers. So if you are ready to take your content creation to the next level, give them a try today. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.